If you're suffering from any kind of bone deterioration or arthritis, or if you're interested in rejuvenating organs, or hair, nails or skin, or you're a fitness nut who just wants to train harder and recover faster, then this is going to excite you. I'm chatting to Nouri Siddiqui, a health practitioner who's looked after over 10,000 people in a wellness centre, and I asked her why she's so passionate about miracle collagen.
In my mid-50s, started to experience the symptoms of arthritis to the point where I became very immobilized and permanently in pain. And the solutions are in hydrolyzed collagen combined with other complements such as vitamin C, MSM and L-Glutamine. And I started to use it, and in 2 weeks my pain was gone. In 4 weeks I was back at the gym. I'm now 60 years old and I'm looking forward to training to going up to Kilimanjaro. Okay. So hydro means it dissolves in water quickly, and when you drink it, it quickly goes into you. And the bones and the joints are up to 97% collagen. So you're actually rebuilding, revitalizing, rejuvenating, and your body starts to go back like it was 5 and 10 years ago.
The use of
Well, what we're seeing in our society is overwhelmingly osteoporosis and osteoarthritis.
Right.
But equally so, because there's also now another pandemic, which is the leaky gut syndrome, of which collagen combined with glutamine and other nutrients can actually be repaired.
So it's not just about the bones.
No.
It's holistic.
In fact, if you have a weak bladder, hold their bladder, it actually strengthens the bladder. Well, we've got miracle collagen here. This is the main focus.
Yeah.
Because this is type 1 and type 2 collagen that goes in to repair bones and joints and cartilage. So if you still have any cartilage left, it will actually renew it and it will start to replenish itself.
What age group would get the most benefit from this type of product?
Yes, it's a very, very good question. You see, we're very much succumbed to our lifestyle today. And the lifestyle is that we are not taking in foods that help the body to produce collagen and to keep the strength. So I come across 22-year-olds that already have symptoms of arthritis.
What sort of athletes, what sort of sports?
Well, it's so interesting because I've shared this with triathletes, with marathon runners, with like the Argus cycle racers.
Yes.
And what they find is that, first of all, their ability to recover is very, very challenging. So after, for example, I shared it with a lady who did the Comrades.
Yes.
And she said normally it would take her 3, 4, 5 days to recover. She used this, she got up the next day, she said, I felt like I could go for a run.
That's amazing.
She said, what is in this stuff? And then of course, whilst they're training and they need to increase endurance, increase muscle strength, and also of course repair the wear and tear on the joint, and as well as keep the joint strong. So the formula that's in here, which is collagen active, has 5,000 milligrams of L-Glutamine in it,
yes,
which is especially for sports people because they need that for their muscle strength and for rehabilitation.